What are these file scoped types in C#11? To understand better the file scoped types, consider the following example. Here you can see the file access modifier before the class hidden snack. This class defines a single property that is called name. Then within the same file inside the snack class, a hidden snack is instantiated and the name is called. If we try to run this code, we see that the coding peanuts are printed. This is because class snack and class hidden snack are defined within the same file. If this were not the case, then this code would not work, unless of course there's a hidden snack class defined elsewhere. Now, what would happen if we would try to return a type that is defined with the file access modifier? We would get an error. This code simply would not compile. When it comes to file access modifier, it works not only with classes, but also with structs, records, interfaces, enums, and delegates. Key takeaways. With file access modifier, we can create multiple types with the same name in different files. However, we cannot expose file types with return type, nor can we use them in different files. And there are multiple types that can be used with file access modifier, such as class, interface, record, struct, enum, and delegate. Thanks for watching.